Just installed One UI 8.5 beta on your Galaxy S25 and already spotting issues? You're not alone. On December 8th, Samsung officially kicked off the One UI 8.5 beta program for the Galaxy S25 lineup in selected regions. While the update brings a wave of new features, system refinements, and improved security, beta software is often accompanied by a few unexpected bugs for early testers. The One UI 8.5 beta update gives Galaxy S25 users early access to upcoming features before the stable rollout. It delivers enhanced AI-powered photo editing tools, more intelligent quick share capabilities for seamless file transfers, upgraded security layers to safeguard personal data, along with several other improvements. However, like most beta releases, some users have started reporting minor issues after installing the One UI 8.5 beta. While many testers describe the update as smooth and fairly stable, others have experienced problems that can impact everyday phone usage. Typically, a One UI beta build may include common glitches, such as apps crashing or refusing to open, random device restarts, certain functions not behaving properly, and noticeable battery drain. These problems are normal for beta software and are usually resolved through upcoming beta patches or the final stable update. Such issues mainly arise because beta firmware does not yet offer full compatibility with all apps and system features. This can cause certain third-party applications or advanced functions to behave unexpectedly or stop working altogether. Some users may also encounter problems with good lock modules, as Samsung usually enables full support for them in stages. Before the stable release goes live, most apps and modules are expected to receive updates to improve overall compatibility and performance. If you're facing any kind of issue on your Samsung Galaxy S25 after installing the One UI 8.5 beta, don't hesitate to share your experience. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for the latest Samsung and One UI updates, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.